Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn about date and time functions. So in the previous sessions we have learned about numeric functions and string functions. The first function is Curdate function. So this function returns current date in the format of year, month and then date format. So normally you can to use with the select statement. I'll do the demo now. You can directly write select Curdate. So this function returns current date. Okay, so Curdate 2024-19. So this is today's date. Okay, so the next function now. So this returns the current date and time. Okay, in the format of year, month, date and then hours, minutes and then seconds. Sysdate, this function also returns the current date and time. Okay, so let's execute this one, then we will see what is the difference. Okay, so this gives year, month, date and then hours, minutes and then seconds. Next we have sysdate. So this is also same result. Okay, so what is the difference between sysdate and then now? Okay, so now returns the time at which the select statement is called. Sysdate returns the time at which sysdate function is called. There is a difference. So how to see the difference? We have to use one sleep command. Select now and then I am making the system to sleep for 10 seconds. Then I am using one more now statements. Okay, so in this way we can find the difference between now and then sysdate. Select now and then I am using sleep statement 10, then I am calling now function again. So you won't get the result immediately because we made the system to sleep for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds the results will be displayed. Okay, you can see this one. The now function, after sleeping for 10 seconds, it returns the same time. You can look at this. So 19, 19, 18. That is the time at which the select statement is called. The same time is repeated even after the sleep time. Okay. So the same function, if you use it with the sysdate function. Okay. Sysdate, sleep, and then I am issuing one more sysdate. So here you can find the time difference because this sysdate function returns the time at which the sysdate function is called. So after sleeping 10 seconds, you can see this. It is 19, 20 and then 02 seconds. And then after sleeping for 10 seconds, it is the time 19, 20, 12. Okay. So this function takes the time at which the sysdate function is called. When at the time of calling sysdate function, the time is 9, 20, 12. That time is returned. But here, when calling the now function, it always returns the time at which the select statement is executed. Okay, so once the select statement is executed, that time is 19, 19, 80. That same time will be repeated even after sleep. So that's the main difference between now and then sysdate. Next function we have date function. So this function, it takes the expression and extracts the date part of the date or date time expression. So this one just extracts the date portion alone. Select date of, I am giving now. So now function, so this always returns date and time. From this part, if you want to separate only the date portion, then you can use this function. Okay, so this function extracts only the date portion from the date and time format from the given expression. Okay. Okay, next we have month function. This returns the numeric month from the specified date. So in the range of 0 to 12. It returns 0 for dates such as everything is 0 or 2010 00. If you give the format like that, then it returns 0. So it just extracts the month part. So as you know, first part is year, then month, then date. So it extracts the month part. Okay. Select month of, I'm giving Curdate. So from the current date, it extracts only the month part. Okay, so the month is April, that is 4. Okay, so next we have year. This function returns the year part. So normally it will be arranged in the 9999 format. So from the date expression, it extracts only the year portion. Okay. So next we have day name. So it returns the name of the weekday for the specified date. So it returns Monday, Tuesday, like that. Okay. Select day name of Curdate. So today is Sunday. So we have day of month. This returns the day of the month in the range of 0 to 31. So only the date portion it will return. So 19 is today's date. The date portion that will be retrieved using the function day of month. Next we have day of week. So this returns the day of week in numbers as 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, like that. So day name function and day of week both returns the day, right? But day name returns the days like Sunday, Monday, like that. And this day of week function returns the numbers. Okay. So 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, like that. The function name is day of week. So this returns number 1 for Sunday. So next we have day of year. This function returns day of the year for the given date in numerical format in the range of 1 to 366. Okay. From January 1, how many days have passed? So that number it will return. Day of year. Okay. So 110 days has gone from January 1. Right. So 31 days and then leap year 29 days, then March 31 days, again in April 19 days. So totally 110 days. Okay. Right. So that's all about the date and time functions. Thank you.